started by throwing 8 skinless chicken thighs into my Instant Pot. I'm sure you could do this from frozen, but mine are thawed. Next up, I'm going to hit it with 2 crushed garlic cloves. You could also use 2 teaspoons of garlic powder if you don't have fresh. 1 tablespoon of cumin. I'll season that with some salt. And be generous with the salt here. Make sure every thigh gets some seasoning. All right, I like this a little hotter, so I'm going to add in 4 chipotle peppers. You can buy these anywhere. Then I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of the adobo sauce that they came in. These are actually smoked jalapeno peppers. Very delicious. They're what gives this dish its smoky, spicy sauce. And lastly, I'm going to add 1 cup of tomato sauce. Try not to get anything that has too much in it. Just tomatoes should be the #1 ingredient. You don't have to use this exact one, but tomato sauce, 1 cup. All right, that's literally it. Throw the lid on, seal this thing, cook on high for 20 minutes, and you'll be done. I went ahead and shredded 1 thigh after it's been cooking for 20 minutes. If you want this to be extra spicy, you can actually take a chipotle pepper right from the sauce and shred it in with your chicken. Otherwise, it's pretty mild as is. I'm going to add a little bit more sauce just so it's got a nice texture. And then I'm going to plate this up. You can go any way you want with this, in a burrito, next to some rice. What I did is I shredded some cabbage and some carrot, and I mixed it with a quick coleslaw dressing that I really like. That's just 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, a splash of water, juice of half a lime, a little salt, and a little bit of garlic, 1 clove of garlic grated in there. You can also add honey or Splenda for some sweetness to this to really take it up a notch. Also, I quickly chopped up one of my tortillas, or a couple tortillas, and I baked them in the oven after just giving them a quick spray with Pam and some salt. And now I've got these nice crispy tortilla chips. Those are just 350 Fahrenheit, 20 minutes.